everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to update Google Map. So let's have a look now. To update Google Maps, open your Play Store, search for Google Map, click on it. Now click where it says update. There is no update available for me, but in your case, you will see the update option here. Click on it and it's gonna update Google Map. After the update is complete, close and reopen Google Map. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.